says anything, yes, this 70-year-old lady is wearing a dress that's above the knee. To all the kind words, the heartwarming messages from the artists, the performers, maraming salamat po. And of course, Creation for giving this wonderful party. Thank you so much. I am humbled, I am grateful, I am blessed, and God bless everyone. Thank you.
Kaarawan ni Charo Santos dinaluhan ng mga naglalakihang personalidad sa industriya ng showbiz. Nitong nakaraang October 27 ay masayangang nagdiwang ng kanyang ika-70th birthday si Charo Santos. Kagabi November 5 ay ginanap ang birthday celebration nito kung saan ay dinaluhan ng mga sikat at kilalang artista, kabilang sa mga spotted na dumalo sina Helen Gamboa, Sharon Cuneta, Vice Ganda, Piolo Pascual, Bea Alonzo at marami pang iba. Kasabay naman ng pagsi-celebrate ni Miss Charo sa kanyang kaarawan ay ipinagdiwang din nito ang kanyang ika-50th year sa showbiz. Narito panoorin ang mga bidyong na ibahagi.
I just want to thank you for allowing me to tell you this in person. Thank you for giving my dreams a chance. Happy birthday, ma'am. I just want to thank you for allowing me to tell you this in person. Thank you for giving my dreams a chance. I remember kanina nung nilapitan mo ako. Sabi mo sa akin, ula pa lang naniniwala na ako sa'yo. Mara Clara, nangyari ang Mara Clara ng 5 taon sa ABS-CBN. Dahil sa bawat taon na dapat matipigok na kami, ipinaglalaban kami ni Ma'am Charo. Nakikinig siya sa amin. And that's how and when my
Charo, happy birthday and congratulations po sa 50 years sa industry. Yun lang po, bago pa ako magkamali. Okay. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko kasi saya ko po na nakatanggap ako ng imbitasyon na inaaniyahan po akong dumalo dito sa papiging ninyo dahil birthday ninyo at pinagdidiwang yung 50 years niyo sa industry. Ang saya ako. Ay, ang sweet naman ni Ma'am Charo. In-invite ako. Tapos pagpupo ko po dito, lumapit po si Tita Chin. Sabi niya, buti dumating ka. Talagang pina-invite ka namin. Kasi pinabasa namin yung program, masyadong seryoso, kailangan ng magpapatawa. Na-appreciate ko po yun. Na at least nakita niyo yung talent ko. Sabi ko po, ano po, hindi po ako pumasok agad. Kasi pagpasok, sabi ko, ba't ang tahimik? Sabi ko, saan nyo kay Ma'am Charo? Diyan po. Hindi, kursilyo ang nagaganap siya. Kaya sabi ko, kailangan ba talagang magpatawa? Baka malinga-linga ako, tinitignan ko yung crowd. Sabi ko, parang mas karapat-dapat mag-prayer meeting na lang tayo. Kasi tahimik yung mga tao. Ganito pala talaga pag mayaman, pag social, pag class yung event. Tahimik lang yung mga tao, pangiting-ngiti lang ng slide. Hindi masyado nag-uusap. Ang nagsasalita lang, yung mga alahas nila.
Is no joke, and you carried it so well with so much grace in every era. That is a true idol. So tonight I want to give you this gift called Gracias, because that's exactly what I want to tell you tonight. Gracias for all the love, the laughters, the lessons, even the tough ones, kahit masakit sinasabi mo. And thank you for showing me that strength can be soft and power can be gentle. You are a true masterpiece. Gracias.
Ngayon, I'm more confident and elegant because of you. I'm so grateful and I'm so happy to be mentored by you. And you have blessed us with your grace, wisdom, and kindness. And you're an inspiration to all of us here. And I'm so happy to be able to celebrate this special day with you. So happy birthday, Ma'am Charo. And happy anniversary po. May God bless you more. And here's the fruit for life.
Anyone says anything, yes, this 70-year-old lady is wearing a dress that's above the knee. To all the kind words, the heartwarming messages from the artists, the performers. Maraming salamat po. And of course, Creation for giving this wonderful party. Thank you so much. I am humbled, I am grateful, I am blessed, and God bless everyone. Thank you.
Prove that grace and greatness can exist in one person. Happy 70th birthday and congratulations on your 50th year in showbiz. Here's to more stories, more laughter, and more beautiful years. We love you, Charo, always and forever. And because I know you appreciate this, let me say it. Dear Charo, this is one story that will never end, the story of your heart. Happy birthday.
Hanggang pagsanahan, nakakarating na ito boundary. Sila na yung short nila si may falls talaga. Natural. Yes. Actually po talaga sila ding-dong. Ding-dong. Tapos yung Miss Jody, yung Miss Earth, doon nagtano sila. Yes. Competition. Tapos yung Miss Jody. I can bring my family. Oh, ayun ba? Si may ATV. 65 na. Zipline, merong spa, may ayan yan, RJ. Pinakilala natin.
Pinipis natin yung resort.
Natin yung pilgrims. And Maruk, president ng Gabulacan.
Yung Charo. Bani.
Yeah, I thought you all. Jella. Oh, you're Jeff. Yeah. It's good. 1, 2, 3. A loyal fan. Nice. Diba? The number one and only we know.
Hey. Meme. Love you, Meme. Ganda mo, Meme.
Your 70th birthday tonight, what I got you are books. Mga libro. Yun, because I know that you are a voracious reader. Diba? Bago ka matulog, nagpapasa ka. Pag nasa banyo ka, nagpapasa ka. Pag naghihintay tayo sa airport, nagpapasa ka. Hanggang eroplano, libro pa rin ang hawak mo. Diba?
Nung tinawagan ako ni Tita Chit around a month ago, she told me, Martin, pwede ba kayo ni Francis, medyo mag-entertain kayo sa isang party? Sabi ko, okay, sige, party nino. Tapos sabi niya, party ng bagong TikTok sensation. You know? Na mainit sa Jen. Sabi ko, sige, sure, why not? Why not? No? And then, so Kuya and I arrived here sa Okada. Tapos nagulat kami, patay. Party pala ni Mommy.